Good morning, everyone. Welcome back on Daily Crypto Plan. It's Monday again. Well, if it's Monday, we should start with weekly chart to see how the last weekly candle closed, no? Morning, Catalin. Morning, BJ, Bova, Bucur, Catalin again, Sebastian. Well, good people. Market overall on higher time frame, it's in a small range, but we still managed to make some money on this range. Imagine that we made money as day traders, as swing traders in this small area. Which is kind of hard to do, but well, it's doable. That's the most important thing. Hey, Andre. So looking at Bitstamp, it's a good market to look at the higher time frame. You can see last candle, indecision candle again. Third indecision candle. This is an indecision, this, and let's see what will happen from now on. If we'll zoom in a little bit, I don't know, daily, I think. Let's look at daily, and we'll put something like this. People, pay attention. Pay attention. I'll go back on weekly, but I wanted you to see the daily chart here. Look at Bollinger Bands. Look at the volatility. Look at this one. What do you think is next? And looking at how close the Bollinger Bands are, you think will be a violent move or a small one? Huh? Sebastian, what do you think? People, when we had the last time, well, the last kind of squeeze, not so tight, was this one. Look at similar squeeze. Look at smaller one. Well, this one took a long time to develop, but when it started, well, the tighter, the longer, the better for an explosion. Could take some time, like you saw that example that will stay here. A lot of people, the lower the range, the smaller the range, the more people will lose money on it. They'll lose patience, they'll try to anticipate breakouts up and down, and they'll lose money. So please don't be part of the public, don't be part of the people that are anticipating, well, let's play a setup and wait for it. Now, that was something I wanted to show you from the beginning. You want me to show you something else? On a different chart? I posted already on VIP, but I'll show it to you. Sebastian, I don't know if you'll be happy about this one, but you understand what I'm trying to say here. It's still possible, people, so don't get in front of yourself. Well, we'll go to the moon. Look at here. This is a big gap. An airplane could fit this one. You see, airplane is there, actually. This is a big gap. A lot of confluence with that gap. Wyckoff check of this level. Pump chaser zone, and a lot of things. If we consider daily chart on CME, okay, we have the daily M. It's confirmed, is there. If we draw if we draw a house level from the M, first stop should be here. Second stop should be all the way down there. Hopefully it will not happen, but who knows. So we have to balance and see the bearish scenario also. It's bearish on shorter term. I don't think on the long run is bearish. It's just a normal retest. But I want you to see the bearish thing also. Don't become a moon boy for the next week, for the next 2 weeks. If we want to be moon boys, okay, push higher, take the highs here, close above 110. And then, okay, I will say, well, Market demonstrated that it's strong. For the moment, we are still in the same range, just fucking around here, playing around up and down. We are forced by our plan to play this 90, 88 area as a support. If we'll come back here, we'll try to hunt long ideas, but it's still possible to fill that gap. Also, it's possible that gap to be filled in the next bear market. It's not necessarily has to happen tomorrow or next week or next month or this year. Okay? The gap could stay there until the bear market will start. So, let's balance ourselves. Let's think about bullish scenario. Let's think about bearish scenario also. Let's play level by level and make money all the way. Not to become moon boys and be disappointed. Well, the market is in the wrong direction. No. Okay, now let's go back on weekly chart. Okay, weekly. I want to talk about weekly a little bit more. Indecision, you saw what indecision looks like on a daily chart. Yeah, tightening, something will happen. Still in the range on weekly, still we don't have an EM, we don't have anything else than a sideways movement, a consolidation. I could easily see AB equals CD here. Yeah? If you take this low, this high, and you try to put an aggressive AB equals CD, 150 kind of idea. It's playable. So yeah, I don't see anything bearish for the moment on weekly chart. Still strong. OBV still making higher highs. We have a confirmed bearish divergence here on RSI, but you can see price is going sideways. Then RSI will reset itself. It's the first TM on weekly, so I'll not pay attention too much. I'll not become too bullish. If I'll see W's, then okay. If I'll see the second TM, then we have a problem. We'll take some time. Overall, nothing bad here. For the moment, we are going sideways. I could see the easiest way to see the market is taking the liquidity at 88 here and then all the way up. Just to go take the liquidity and then push higher. We'll see. Now, let's see Ethereum versus dollar. Not looking bad. Not looking bad here. Not looking great. Not looking terrible. Could form a W like this. You saw the hack or the robbery or the call it whatever you want happened, and Ethereum didn't react as people expected. Some people said, well, it's over, it's done. After this hack, the bear market is starting. Not that easy. Slow down. I consider that we'll create a V bottom here and we'll push straight up. Possible, but less probable. I think we'll consolidate. Maybe if we are bearish enough, I don't know, we'll retest this tail here. I still think 2500, 2400 it's playable. Look left, you see the support. So it's a bit different than Bitcoin. We'll outperform Bitcoin at some point in time. We have some signs on lower time frame, but nothing more than that. Okay, I think we can go now on actually after I'll see the Bitcoin dominance. Well, you can see 3-bar fractal top confirmed here. We have 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and we tested. If we'll push higher here in the short reload zone, that will be nice. Okay, now let's take a look at daily chart. Daily is better. For us as day traders, mostly day traders, if you are trading below 4 hours, we are day traders. One day time frame is the best. Weekly is just to get an overview. And we look at weekly, Sunday and Monday to see how the weekly candle closed, to see the bigger time frame overview, and then we stay on daily usually. Okay. Looking here, still in the same range, still in the long reload zone, still valid here. My scenario is still valid, W breakout and retest. Let's wait. We don't have a clear W on daily. We have something. We have kind of a diamond pattern trying to form here. But the price is not affected by the bad news I saw. There are bad news, there are good news. You saw someone posted yesterday and I retweeted that United States lost some Bitcoin. How you can lose some Bitcoin when it's an open ledger? I don't know. How you can lose Bitcoin when it's an open ledger, when you can find address after address and you can find where are the money, who sent them, at what date, what quantity, who was in charge at the moment, who had the authority to allow that transaction and so on. So it's kind of ugly to see that. Well, I think Sebastian, the loss was before the tornado. So if you, for example, you have to do a transfer, okay? Let's assume that I have some Bitcoin and you know my address. You know where the Bitcoin is. Well, it's kind of impossible. You know I'm in charge. You know I'm the only guy who can move the coins. Yeah? I could move them in Tornado. I could do it, but I initiated. I'm responsible. So at least you have a starting point. Well, okay, now what we should expect. Today it's Monday. We should expect something. We should expect a Monday high, Monday low. We can think about playing around. On lower time frame, it's playable. We are waiting for some setups. I played some setups in the morning. Sorry guys, I didn't have time to post them. I played Solana and Ethereum on the long side on 3-minute chart. But back at 1 day, well, still in the same area. We have a high and we have a low. We can assume that this is a new range, no? We can assume that. So if we'll go back at 100 and we'll see an EM or a 3-bar fractal top on 4-hour chart or 1 hour even, well, we can think short if you want. If you'll see the market going back down at 93 here, 93,500, 3-bar fractal 4-hour chart, 1-hour chart, you can think long. Or you can think long if you see a daily W, 4-hour W. Why not? So there are levels to play. There are levels for day traders also. We can play the Fib Pong all day, all week actually. We managed to make money in this ugly range. I think we can continue to make money. But with level by level stupid trader approach, with good setups, with good risk management, without FOMO, without fear, without fucking around, just behaving like professional. It's possible to make money. Even if the environment is not perfect, it's not the best. You see what volatility we have lately and how the market is behaving, but it's still possible. Okay, now, Bukur says to hit the like button. Well, I'm okay with that. So hit the like button, people. And by the way, if you want to help us out a little bit, good morning, Stefan. Well, starting with Stefan, you can retweet this post if you want to help us a little bit. If you share to your Twitter has your friends will see the live stream. Some of them, they are interested. One of them will join, and slow and steady will increase the community with quality people. That's a key point here, quality people. We want to increase the community slowly. Quality people organically, not moon boys. Okay, now let's go back down here. Let's look at Ethereum. Well, similar, look at it. W breakout and retest on daily. Let's say that's a retest, but actually it's a range here. Not too many things we can do. We made some money. We played the small range on lower time frame. Okay, but daily, not doing anything. I was hoping after the hack that maybe we have a chance here at 2,400. Just maybe we can get a W in the long reload zone. Well, not yet. I don't know if it will happen. We'll probably will, but I don't see it at the moment. So, similar on Ethereum here. Now, looking at Bitcoin dominance, you can see we had some M's, now we have a W. When I see W's on a daily chart, I don't like to see W's on daily chart. Why? W's on daily chart in this kind of environment could mean an AB equals CD to the upside, which is well, not the best if we want altcoin season soon, but it's possible to play a bot setup here. What do you say, Sebastian? It's possible? I think it is. I don't think will happen. Why? I have this rejection here. And even if this W will confirm and will push higher, 1 to 1 is pointing out exactly in the short reload zone here. And from here, if I'll see an M, that's the entry. That's the best approach possible. That's the trader's trade. So I don't think will happen AB equals CD or a bot setup to the upside. But what I think doesn't matter too much. Okay? It's still possible. My scenario is here, well, if we'll accept above 32, we'll push here. You can see I have an alarm there. I'll push in the short reload zone here. Here we'll hunt for an M and hopefully we can have something nice after that. For the moment, we are watching that neckline of the W. Will confirm, will not confirm, what will happen. It's just a pattern I see there, and we kind of rejected from 60% already. Ethereum versus Bitcoin. We had that bot setup in the weekend, playing around, pushing, making a new high. It's back retesting, but look at this one. This is looking interesting. Steps to the upside. You'll convince me that, well, it's a reversal and something will happen after we'll close daily, weekly chart above 0.03. You know that. Keep repeating that. That's a key level for me. Until then, we are still below. We are still in the deviation. We are still playing ugly games there. I saw that Bybit was trying to buy as much as possible on Ethereum, and Binance sold overnight. Yeah. Who knows? It's their game. We have a different game. We have setups with plans, with good risk management. They have a different game we cannot play. Yeah? They cannot play our way. We cannot play their way. We should play in the same direction. But they have advantage of big money, capable of moving the market. We have the advantage of being small, being fast, using setups. For us, getting a feel or getting a position is not a problem. We are in and out. We are called retail because we can enter and exit the market wherever we want. Yeah? So let's take advantage of that one. I don't have to be in the market all the time, like a market maker. No, I could sit on the sidelines for days, weeks, if it's necessary. That's an advantage, people. That's an advantage us, as retail, we should take advantage of. You don't have to be in a trade. You can stay on the sidelines as long as possible. You can enter on Bitcoin, for example, you can enter in a second. Well, a big player when wants to enter has to make a plan how to enter. Because he has too much money and that could destroy his setup or his idea. Yeah, could push the market up and down, and he doesn't want that, and has to split the orders in multiple ones on multiple days, and it's not that easy. But we have the advantage in and out as fast as possible. Well, Monix, 92 watt. 92. Why do you think 92 will happen? I don't see it. For the moment it's holding this level. I have to go on lower time frame and we'll discuss that. Now, that being said, about the overview, altcoins, well, altcoins are slowly bleeding, slowly trying to form the daily W, daily weekly W. Huh? You can see they are consolidating this level. Maybe another dump will follow, I don't know. But I think, I'll repeat, people, I'll repeat and I'll put my mic a bit closer. Pay attention, make the plan and try to get in on some good, strong altcoins. This environment will not last forever. This is a buying opportunity. Zoom out if you don't see it. Don't wait for the top to buy some altcoins. Buy them at the low. Buy them here. Do a dollar cost averaging plan. Join premium if you want and get the last chance challenge approach. Okay. Don't wait for the market to pump and then come here and ask, well, what I should buy. I'm not saying to sell your house. I'm not selling anything. I'm not saying anything actually. I'm just suggesting something. I'm not a financial advisor. Okay? But I am buying altcoins here. My bags are almost full. You know my situation. I'm exposed at close to the max on altcoins. And if Bitcoin will drop to that gap, then I'll have to deal with it. I have to take some money from my reserves to benefit from that drop. Will happen? I don't know. I have my plan if will happen. Now, I'll not discuss about altcoins. I'll try to frame some setups this week on daily and 4-hour chart. I'll look at the altcoins and if I'll see something nice, I'll post. Let's go on lower time frame. But before that, calendar. This week we have Thursday, some reports. Friday, some reports. Not really busy this week. Acceptable. We can play around. So from the news perspective, we are kind of safe. We don't have to worry about too much. Okay. Let's go on lower time frame. Starting with 4-hour chart on Bitcoin. Let's put 4-hour chart. Well, you can see what I see here. You can see what I see. That's Trump inauguration, was the top of the market, yeah. Everyone expected to go straight down. You can see we are going sideways, but indeed, that called the top. Yeah? If you want to take a textbook, look at it. Trump inauguration was kind of the top. The problem is a complex event and we are going sideways. It's not exactly like people wanted. Straight down. Range. Who took this trade is still in profit. Yeah? If you took some profit in the highs, you are stop loss at scratch, you are still in the trade. And you have 1 low, 2 lows, 3 lows trying to form here and we can push higher. We are close. If you are thinking this range, we are close to 61.8 again and we should not think short here. If you are thinking this range from this low to this high, similar. We have a long reload zone almost, so again, don't think short. Let's try to see it. Okay? Long reload. There you go. We are in the long reload zone again. So I'm not thinking short here, people. I'm thinking long here. We had the Bybit problem. That's gone. They recovered. They managed to deal with it. At least for the moment, I think they'll be okay. I don't see the reason why we should push lower. We need a new set of bad news to push the market even lower. From the other perspective, seeing countries opening for Bitcoin and price staying in the same range, it's a bit suspicious, people. Someone has the interest to keep the Bitcoin at this price and this range. Should be higher? I don't know. I'll let you decide that. But you get the idea. So thinking short, well, not in my playbook this time. You can see we still have the long from 78.6. You want to play a new one? Well, wait for a W. I don't see a W yet on 4-hour chart. 1-hour chart. Let's go on 1 hour. I see here a potential diamond pattern forming. You see it? Potential. It's not there yet, but could be. Something like this on these lines. Let's wait. It's Monday. We don't need to hurry up and put 5 trades in the market. We can wait. Let's wait and see what will happen. If market will dump here, well, or close to this level, we can hunt along. If we'll attack the highs here, if you see a setup, a proper setup, you can think short, but I don't recommend it. Short, we should think all the way up here in this area. 99. For me, it's an area where I'm long and I want to stay that way and don't do anything else. I'm just waiting. Okay, Ethereum. Well, on Ethereum, I played the 5-minute chart, 3-minute chart. I don't know if you will see it, but okay. I think 3-minute was the deal. Yeah. W breakout retest this level, took the entry here just before the live stream, and you can see I'm at scratch. Then I took another one. I took Solana, similar approach. Yeah, you can see the W breakout retest. I missed the drop, but I said it's good enough for me. You get the idea. That's scalping. It's 3-minute chart, not for everyone. I didn't even manage to post for VIP. Let's go back on Ethereum on higher time frame for 1 hour at least. Well, this was the hack or the drop or the anything, and we are back at the same place without any problem. You can see it. Well, if you put this low, which is okay-ish, 2,500, if you put the high, which is this one, we are in the middle of nowhere here, so I don't want to play Ethereum here as 1 hour, 4-hour chart. Yeah, I played along there on lower time frame. I don't know if will hold. I'll try again if not. But 1 hour, 4-hour chart is telling me to stay out. So nothing I can do in general. Altcoins, you can see they are kind of dumping here. TIA is back at the support now. Let's put 4-hour chart. Look at it. Range, W, breakout, retest. It's getting interesting again on TIA. People are not interested to buy it. I blabbed away here at $3. I blabbed away below $3. We almost touched $4 in the weekend. We are retesting, which is normal. If you look left, was a normal thing to do, to reject from here and test some necklines. Overall, I like TIA. A new setup here? Well, not quite. A new setup if you want. Let's take the high, let's take this low, and somewhere in here. 3.3, 3.2. Give me a double on 1 hour, 4-hour chart, and I could play the next setup. Here in the top, nah, not the best. You can see, I tried something, didn't work. So, that's my next area for TIA. Tao, similar. You can see we had a trade on Tao, we made some money on it, but now it's coming back down. And even if you want to play something, you should take this low, this high, put the long reload zone, which is back at below $400 or fighting $400. If it's to hold this low here at 346. If we lose this level, well, sorry people, we'll lose that level, then it's back in the range and it's back ugly again. We'll see. If you have requests, please type in the chat, ticker in the time frame, and we'll take a look. If you saw something interesting, I didn't have the proper time to scan the entire market. I'll do it in the London session. I'll scan all the altcoins and I'll look for setups. Usually I'm looking below 1 hour when I'm scanning, but nothing. Nobody wants a Sonic. Yeah. Okay, let's take a look at Sonic. Sonic. Let's go crypto. Binance. Let's go Binance. I think spot. It's okay. Sonic is actually fat top. And I don't have a top here for the moment. But I have a long reload zone where I should wait. Huga Bear. Yeah, I should wait here for a trade. Chasing this one here, yeah, it's possible, but you have to do it with, I don't know, 5-minute chart, 50-minute chart with Holy Grail. I think 50-minute chart will be better, or 1 hour. 1 hour, yeah, let's see. Doesn't want to give me, oh, okay. I'll activate the other one. You get the idea. On 1 hour, you have an uptrend here. You can chase if you want. But if you lose this low here, we'll come back down here. It's new and shiny. They tried to create some hype on the ecosystem, to put the meme coins on there, to put them in front and try to create some hype. They are succeeding at some point Friday, but the hack happened and everything stopped. If they'll succeed to start some hype again, yeah, I could see Sonic pushing higher, and Holy Grail in 1 hour time frame is the best for that. I don't know if you have access. If you are a premium or VIP, you have access on this indicator. If not, play it with a different kind of idea. Also on lower time frame, I could see a bot setup forming here. Not the best, but you can see W breakout retest. This was your entry here. Now, I don't see a new setup. Okay. What is not Sonic, Andrei? What is this one? Not Sonic? Bera. Well, let's take a look at Bera. Bera 4 hour chart. I think Bera on 4 hour chart is better. Okay. Look at it. We are waiting for a long reload zone. We had the retest. Yeah, was new, shiny. We had the retest here in the short reload zone. I don't know if it touched 61.8 short. And now we're backing down in the long reload zone. So let's take the high, let's take the low here. Let's put a short reload zone. Classic Fipong. Classic. Look at it. Textbook. And people, they don't know TA and they don't want to learn TA. We'll teach you. At least we are teaching now, couple one. I don't know if we'll do another one. But you can see. Mountain Man short. We rejected. And we are getting back in the long reload zone. Until we had these levels, we played support and resistance with big round numbers. And we made money. Doesn't get easier than that, people. A new coin, you don't have anything and you are playing like a boss here. Yeah, well, $5 W above the big round number. Let's take the long here. Well, let's sell it close to the short reload zone. Well, there you go. Support and resistance. Well, we don't have history. Well, we have round numbers. Look at them. Now we have some price history. Now we can use the fibs better. Yeah, it's possible. Why not? It's possible to push lower. It's a new coin. We don't know. We can push even lower than 5, Andrei. So I'm buying Bera when I see a drop. For a setup on 4 hour chart, you should wait here in $6 area for a W. If you see a W, you can take it. If you don't see a W, you know my easy way of trading. No W, no trade. Simple as that. But it's still playable. So that's about Bera. Your order below 5.5, not bad. is not asking you for fees or for money because you keep that limit order there. So keep it. Well, let's take something from Catalin. Sui on 4-hour chart. I see a range here. No, it's not doing anything, Catalin. I can see it's symmetrical triangle. No, nothing. Symmetrical triangle here. I could clean up a little bit this one, but you can see, oh, nothing special. If you want to think for our chart, you should wait for 3.7, 3.8 to break out and then to play the retest. For the moment, you can play on lower time frame, not for our chart. You can play this bounce and wait for a retest in the long reload zone, for example. Here, if you put 1 hour, you'll see. Yeah, you can see. If you come back down here and we'll put a W, then you can play along. Probably close to 7, 8.6 will be even better. Even lower time frame. But for our chart, I don't see anything. Okay. Thomas says Metis higher time frame. I'll take a look. So that's my area. I don't see W's here, not even on 1 hour. Metis higher time frame. Well, for higher time frame, we have another template. Metis, Binance, W retest. Yeah, play the setup if you want on daily. Take it if you think it's valid. I think it's valid. So we have a setup here. W, breakout and retest. Depending on you, if you put this short reload zone, you can even take the low as stop loss. Let's do something like this. Short, well, that's the area where you should take some profit off. If you want to frame a setup, you should do something like this, okay? Usually you want to take this W here and well, you say, I don't think it's the case. Put the stop loss all the way down here. Let's do something like this. 4 to 1, not bad. Well, I don't know, Andre, why it's going lower and lower. If you're going lower and lower, just leave it alone. You can see here. We have the W breakout and retest. This was a retest of this tail. But to be safe, you have 1, 2 lows to protect your stop loss. So this will be my play if I want to play Metis on daily chart. 4 hour chart or 1 hour chart, yeah, you can wait for the next W here. Or you can attempt something else, but keep it simple. This is what I will play if I want to play Metis. Hope that helps you. I'm not encouraged about RSI rejecting from 15, OBV making lows here. Nah, I don't really like it, but or wait for the next W because that could be something. Weekly chart. We are making lower highs and lower lows until you'll see the weekly W. Stay the fuck out as an investor. Or you can start a slow dollar cost averaging plan. The bottom, we don't know where the bottom is from 0 until $24. So we don't have a bottom. We had a W here on weekly W, produced a nice result, and now we lost that one. So we need a new weekly W for us investors. What will happen? Well, not up to us. Why NI is going lower and lower? Please, where is going lower and lower, Andre? I don't know, it's going to retest the weekly W. Produced a nice result, no? W, breakout retest, back in the short here, now it's coming back down to retest. Wait for a daily W, weekly W maybe. Take a trade. You see any W here? Why you should be in this trade if you don't see a daily W? No W, no trade, Andre. Simple. I know that's position trading on daily chart, but still. No W, no trade. Well, today we opened the registration for VIP, but only for the people that they are already in VIP to get access for the next month. Next week we'll open for all the members, if we'll have empty places. For the moment we have 2 places that will be definitely opened next week for the public. Public means I'm talking in general. That means premium could go on VIP, general members from Discord could go on VIP, some Twitter people or YouTube followers could join Discord and then join VIP. That will open next week. For the moment, we want to see how many from February want a subscription for next month. Usually, most, I don't know, 90% of them, they'll continue. There are some people that they're not fast enough. They don't like the VIP environment, or I don't know, different reason. They'll say, well, it's not for me. But big majority of them, they want more. Some of them, they paid for 6 months just to be sure they don't lose their place there. So if you are in VIP, pay and DM Stefan, or if you don't want to continue, please DM Stefan and tell him. You don't have to give him a reason. You just tell me, Stefan, I don't want to be in VIP anymore, so we can open that place next week for the rest of the members. Simple as that. Okay. For premium, we have 2 places available for the moment. Capua 1 and Capua 2, they are working. Capua 2, they are working on the market structure with Stefan. Capua 1, they start the TA part. They finish the fundamental. Now they are working with what TA is, market state, market structure. So they are getting in the nice things, technical analysis. I think we are doing a nice job. Our community is slowly growing organically without without anything bad happening in Crypto Traders Arena. I'm here to take care of that. So I'm kicking out a lot of people, but that's my job. Overall, people, it's Monday. Take it slowly. Don't overreact and don't be too greedy. About the Griffin, you can see it's getting home. It's coming back home. Wait for a 4-hour daily double here. Will happen at some point in time, here or higher, I don't know, but will happen. You want $2 cost average, it's okay. I traded in the weekend and I made some money. I got stopped out on the rest. I'm out from that. I still have some Griffin as, I don't know, spot position trading. Just have some exposure there because could explode at any point in time. I have a small amount, but to load more we need a daily W, 4 hour if you're more aggressive. This one was looking nice until we had the hack, and then the hype was gone. People resetted their bias, so let's wait for the next W. Okay? I answered to your request, people. I don't know. If nothing else, let's call it a live stream. We have 45 minutes already. I think it's a bit too much. Share the link in the chat with everyone. Maybe some people will benefit from, I don't know, seeing the overview, seeing what we are doing here, planning, trying to plan everything. Yeah? To see the levels and plan them and maybe make some money on the way. I know this is not the best view you want to see from CME, but it's there and you should acknowledge. You should not hide and look on the other direction just not to see it. It's there. It's still possible, people. So, okay, people. See you in New York session if you are a premium or VIP. If not tomorrow it's open day. So we'll have this live stream, we'll have day trading with Stefan mostly, most probably, and then New York is for all Discord members. If you want to join our Discord, it's pretty simple. Join and get verified. Go on start here channel and get your role. If you don't do that, well, I'll kick you out in a couple of hours. So either you are becoming a full member, or I don't like guests. So you join there, you have access on 2 channels, and you are just staying there. No. Either you are here or you are not. Pretty simple from my perspective. Okay, people, let's call it a live stream. See you later. Bye bye.